Hi everyone, my name is Anshul and I'll be speaking on behalf of LooneyPay, a startup implementing cloud-based payment platform that allows small businesses to manage their finances in real time. How we do that? Well, before we showcase the solution, let's look at our situation. Let's meet Jane, owner of a cozy gastropub. It's a busy Friday evening and she needs more beer and wine supplies. She decides to call her supplier, David. He is willing to deliver her the supplies, but only for immediate payment. Unfortunately, Jane has already exhausted her ATM limit and traditional payments won't work on weekends. Like Jane, there are many small business owners who come across such challenges with traditional payment methods daily while doing their business transactions. Other than inaccessibility outside business hours, these challenges also include slower payment processing due to legacy systems or involvement of multiple entities. And for that reason, they are also expensive and most of the times require manual handling, especially for paper-based instruments. These instruments not only result in complex accounting, but also present difficulties in matching invoices with payment due to absence of remittance information for auto reconciliation. Here are some figures that we have assessed while validating the problem. 37% Canadian businesses take more than 30 days to get paid. That's quite some time in a world of growing e-commerce and shrinking supply chains. This results in 25% of them facing a cash flow crunch. Not only that, but due to lack of data that can accompany the payment transaction, 39% merchants are spending more than 5 hours a week dealing with invoice matching issues. Also, the fees paid for these slower and inefficient payments in a year by the SMEs are more than a whopping $6 billion. Our product will address these problems by providing one, access to real-time instant payments via real-time rail system. That is, good funds will be made available in a matter of few seconds. Second, they are going to be data-rich payments, meaning invoice details can now travel unaltered along with payment message to the bank and back, enabling real-time automated invoice reconciliation. Now, when the payment and invoices are getting settled in real time, it enables the businesses to improve their cash flow and better manage their liquidity. And all that with a significantly reduced cost as compared to the traditional payment methods. Let's look at the tool in action. It will contain a feature to integrate with invoicing system. For businesses using invoicing systems such as FreshBooks or Xero, there will be an option to import invoices via API. Both bulk and single invoice import is supported. And for the invoicing system which do not provide API integration, there's also an option to import invoice via file upload. Once the invoices are imported, the application will show them on an intuitive dashboard where the user can not only check the status of individual invoices, but also make the request or request payments with just a touch of button. Not just that, but the user will also be provided an option to set up automated payments based on the invoice date. Let's look at the request to pay feature. For suppliers, the electronic request could be initiated as soon as the invoice is approved. It will travel through the banking system, resulting in a notification for the payment to the buyer. Once the buyer approves the payment, the information will travel back to the supplier confirming the payment and the invoice status will be updated in real time. It will be even a simpler workflow for buyers making a payment for their invoices, as this will not require any approval from the receiver. Here, the electronic request will initiate the payment order to the banking system, and upon processing, the supplier will be paid instantly and will be notified the amount deposited. At the same time, the buyer will get the payment information immediately, updating the invoice status to fully paid in real time. Last but not the least, our solution also provides API to be exposed to invoicing systems, enabling them to reflect the latest payment status of all the invoices for the user. Although the paper-based instruments continue to decline every year, this still amounts to 500 million and 4.5 billion transactions for checks and cash respectively, and credit card leading the way with more than 6 billion volume of transactions. For a market share, we are targeting a mere 5% of cash and checks each, which is not a lot, 1% of credit card transaction volume, which still leaves us with a share of 300 million transactions overall. The way we make money is simple. We'll be charging a flat fee of 50 cents on each transaction, and as per our projection, within the duration of next 5 years, we'll be processing close to 80 million transactions and we'll be making around $40 million in revenues. Our current competitors include Interac eTransfer, but it is less secure and has a very low transaction limit when it comes to commercial payments. Services like Stripe or Square, on the other hand, primarily involves credit cards for payment, which are expensive and involves delayed processing. We'll definitely need to partner with all the major banks and invoicing accounting companies to fully enable our solution. Our roadmap is straightforward. We will start with feasibility study and validation at a broader level. In terms of strategy, the focus will be on enabling small businesses to make their payment faster, cheaper, and convenient. We are a team of engineers working with international banks across the globe for more than 8 years now. We know that small businesses still remain an untapped area, and they too, like large corporates, needs to be empowered with advanced payment systems. Lastly, thank you organizers for giving us the opportunity to present our idea in this incredible event. Looking forward to the journey ahead.